Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Freybler if you're new here. So today I'm going to be reviewing 3 products from this new line that L'Oreal just came out with. Well, new products that they came out with Camila Cabello, or is that how you say your name? Camila Cabello or Cabello? I don't know. You guys tell me down below in the comments. But this is their Havana collection. I love that song by her, and I just think her name is really fun to say, even though I don't know how to say it. So anyway, I got 3 different products from the collection, and I really wanted to try them out, so I figured why not do kind of like a tryout / review video for you guys to see if they're worth picking up. So let's get started with the review. Alright you guys, so I am in my new apartment right now, and this is definitely not like a permanent setup. I don't really have a permanent setup in this apartment because I don't have my own room. So I hope you guys like this though. I just kind of threw this together, and then I'll be doing different setups throughout my apartment, changing it up for you guys because I feel like that's kind of fun to have different backgrounds and things. So I went to Ulta, and I'm so excited because I finally have an Ulta in my area now. I used to have to drive like an hour to get to an Ulta. So I only went there once in 7 months. And I got, let's see, 3 different things from this Camila Cabello range, I guess. The thing I'm most excited about is this bronzer. It's a liquid bronzer. I got mine in the shade light medium, and it was $14.99. So they definitely raised the price for this collab, I feel like. So let's hope it's worth it. So this is $14.99. That is up there for sure. Then I got this eyeliner, which was $11.99. It's a black eyeliner, so we'll see if that's good. And then I also got this gloss because I just thought it was really pretty. This is in the shade, this is their Lip Dew in the shade, I really don't know what shade it's in. And this was $9.99. So they're definitely more expensive products from L'Oreal, which, I mean, L'Oreal is starting to get more expensive anyway, but I feel like for these kind of products, they're more expensive. So just keep that in mind. The packaging is honestly stunning. I'm obsessed with this bluish, turquoisey color, and then these flowers on them. I just think it's so summery and fun. Let's start with the liquid bronzer. So it comes in this tube, and there's a lot of product in here. It's 1.35 fluid ounces. You guys are gonna get so much use out of this if it's good and I tell you to get it. So you can use it alone or mix it in with foundation for an instant Savannah Sunlit glow. I'm going to use it alone because I already applied my foundation. I'm wearing the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion. I've been loving this lately. The coverage is really nice, and my skin has been really nice lately, so I've been liking this. And then I put a little bit of my Fit Me concealer on, so that's all I have on my face right now. So I'm going to, this is in the shade Light Medium, I think. Yeah, Light Medium. They have 2 different shades. Ooh. Maybe I would want to mix this in with stuff. Okay. Oh, so this is more of a glow product. This is it blended out on my hand. It's like really glowy. So maybe I would want to like mix it in with foundation to give myself a bronzy glow. This kind of reminds me of the new Drunk Elephant product. I don't know if you guys follow Drunk Elephant or like more high-end products, but they came out with this new kind of product similar to this where you mix it in with a moisturizer and it has that like sun-kissed glow to it. So I feel like you could totally do that with this product. I'm still going to try it as like a normal bronzer and see how it goes. I hope it works out. If not, I can wipe off all my foundation and we'll try it again. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take a little bit on the back of my hand and then take a sponge. This is just from the Ulta collection, their sponge. Because I feel like a brush is going to distribute too much product. I feel like this is already going to be too much product. Let's try this out, you guys. Okay, so let's start stamping it in this area. It's definitely giving me a little bit of bronzeness. Might have just soaked up all the product. Maybe I do want to use a brush. I do have some foundation on this brush, so you guys tell a difference? Okay, so I'm definitely getting a little bit of bronziness to my skin, which I mean is good because that's what the purpose is, right? But I feel like it's definitely glowy. So if you have acne, this is totally not going to be for you. I'm sorry, but if you have it like in these areas, it's just really going to accentuate that stuff, which is why I wish it was more like a regular bronzer versus glowy, you know? Okay, so far I really like it. It's just something that I feel like I'd have to play around with a little bit more. So I'll kind of let you guys know on Instagram stories and stuff if I'm liking this more. I don't know if it's going to be worth $14.99, $15 because it has so much glow. It might be nice like mixed in with things, but I feel like I have other products like that can kind of work in the same way. Maybe if I can mix it with a moisturizer and it gives me a little glow or something, but so far I'm kind of feeling like it's not worth the $15. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. I've been loving this lately. Okay, so that looks really pretty in my opinion. You don't really have the like tons of reflect like it did a little bit ago, but it has a really nice like glow to it. So I guess that's an option. If you don't want like a ton of reflect, you could set it and it just looks like a nice subtle glow. So this shade, I feel like if you have more like medium skin tone, I would go with the darker one in my opinion, but it kind of depends if you're going to use it all over, just like in the bronzy areas. Okay, you guys, we're going to now try out this eyeliner. It's basically just a liquid eyeliner. It says it's precise and you can line in a flash. It looks like it's a felt tip, which I really like felt tip liners. This one is $9.99, so it's a little more expensive than my favorite felt tip liners. It looks like a literal marker. You just take off the cap and it looks really nice. The tip of it looks nice and like small, but then it looks a little bit thicker towards the end, so I feel like you could get a really nice like easy line. So hopefully I'm correct, and let's try this out. So hopefully I can be in frame in this. I feel like doing liner on camera, I am the absolute worst. So let's try this out. Okay. So far it feels like it's not flimsy at all. Oh, that's nice. Do you guys know how sometimes it like drags over your like little bits of skin and the line doesn't get like super sharp? It just almost kind of like ripples. This one isn't doing that, so I really like that. Okay, I can get super precise here in the inner corner, which is awesome. Let's see if I can do this wing without pulling on my skin. Wow, that was easy. You guys, I did it on camera and everything. It looks like it's going to be drying to a matte finish. Let's see once it dries completely. This is the wing. Looks pretty dang good, doesn't it? So far, I really like this liner. Do I think it's worth $9.99? I don't know yet because it might not last a long time. Right now, there's not a ton of product coming out of the tip of the felt, which I like because it's not like all watery and there's not too much product like on my eyelids, but I think it might dry up quicker than some felt tips. So again, I'll let you know if I like this in an upcoming favorites video because this is the very beginning of August. So if I really like this and I use it a lot throughout August, I will definitely mention it in my favorites video. But really, right now I really like it, and if you're looking for a new black eyeliner with a felt tip that's really easy to use and doesn't tug at your eye, I think this would be a great option for you. So far I really like this. All right, you guys, everything is done. So now all I have to do is lips. So like I said, I have this lip gloss. I will put the name of the lip gloss down below. I might have like ripped off the name because I ripped off this little like plastic part, not really noticing if it had the name on it or not. But it's this really peachy looking gloss. I love peachy colors, especially for the summertime. So I'm not going to put this on top of any lipstick because I just want to see the color by itself. Okay, so the wand of this is like bigger than any lip gloss wand I've ever seen. Honestly, it's like the Tarte Shape Tape. If you've ever used that concealer, that's how big it looks to me. And then it has this little dip. It has this little dip in the center that picks up the product, so that's really nice. So it has decent color payoff. Like, it doesn't seem super duper sheer. That is really pretty. I really like it. It doesn't feel sticky. It just feels nice on the lips. And sometimes I feel like when I put on a lip gloss, it doesn't look good by itself. But this I would totally wear by itself. It just gives a little bit of that peachy color and then gives your lips a nice shine so they look nice and plump. So I really, really like that. All right, you guys, that is it for the products that I'm going to be trying out. So far, I really like all of them. The one thing I think I'm most disappointed about is this liquid bronzer, because I didn't know that it was going to have so much like shine to it, and I thought it was going to be more just like a liquid bronzer, you know? So far, I really don't think that's worth it. I think the two things that I would totally get are the lip gloss, because this is like stunning and the formula feels really nice and I can wear it by itself, more like a kind of like chapstick or something like that, you know, but you want it to be nice and glossy. And then I really like the liquid liner. So those are the two things that I would probably pick up from this collection. Do I think they're necessities? No, but if you like the packaging and you like L'Oreal and Camila Cabello, then definitely pick them up. I think they're good products and nice quality. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye!